What's up, guys? Antonio Howl and Hammer. We are doing garage door installation today. Taking out this old damaged door right behind me, and we're going to put in a nice new set right next to me here. Garage doors, you just need to follow the directions, lay out all your hardware onto a table. And you could kind of mimic off the door right next to it to kind of get a general idea in case you get a little lost. But let's get this project rocking. So I always lay all my parts out on the table, all your bolts, all your hardware, so you can see everything you have. Comes with directions, makes it super easy. Just set the panels in, follow your directions, you can put your hinges on, you put your wheels in first, and then you just, screw them in, guys. Keep everything a little loose until you get the panel in place, and you can tighten everything down. All right, guys, so we have different types of hinges for the higher panels. The lower hinges have a single pivot hinge. These have double pivot hinges because of the way that the door goes in the up position to make the turn on the track. Very important. So once you get all the panels in, you want to hook up your garage door opener. So you put the existing bracket back on. You want to put the metal steel beam that they give you. This gives it a lot of added strength, so you won't have the same thing happen to the previous door that was here. They get stuck, the springs break, and sometimes they bend. So to get this all hooked up properly, it has a nice bracket in the middle here, which reinforces this door as well. So just follow directions and you'll be in good shape. We're going to hook up all the new spring hardware now, and we'll give it a test run. Hopefully the whole thing doesn't fall apart. Because it is Monday. You have a cable that runs through the spring. This is our safety cable. This runs down and just hooks to the the top of the track, and just kind of gets tied in there. It's just a safety cable in case the spring breaks. It doesn't come down and hit anybody. Now we're hooking up our regular springs with the cable to the pulley there. So once I get that hooked up, I'll show you. So guys, we're going to pick this door up to take the tension off of the springs so we can hook the springs up. Generally, you can have another guy help you, but this door isn't that heavy, okay? I get a pair of channel locks and just snap them on. There you go. And it stays up by itself. As you want to go through here with a nice can of garage door lubricant and just spray all those tracks down real good. Hit the ball bearing wheels, do both sides. You could even hit the door opener up above. Well, you can't do it right now. So, just get those wheels real good. And don't forget to take off the channel locks. That's a very important piece of information. So, guys, we found we have a faulty I-beam right here. So you have two of them, one on each side. And that is a safety beam in case children are under the door, or anybody for that matter, and they don't get crushed. It automatically sends the door back up. So this is a faulty beam. The door will not go down. We mounted our new sensors. We have a green light here, which you want to have a green light. And we have a yellow light here. That's what you want, guys. If your lights are blinking, that means there's an obstruction or the beams are not lined up. It's another successful job. New door, new insulation panels, new sensors. Another quality job by Howl and Hammer. you hear that? That was jumped out of my skin. All right, there's a little blooper for you. All right, I gotta leave that in because that scared the hell out of me. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Subscribe, like, and I gotta go sit down.